Hello my friends from Fricción Mental, welcome to the very first video for the Python 3 series. And well, I'm just gonna make a very brief introduction because in this video we're actually gonna see how to download and install Python. But well, I just want to say that for those who are new on the channel or do not know me, well, I am not a programmer. I don't even work in IT stuff or anything like that. But well, I have been able to learn a little bit about these things and to learn about Python. And well, I have seen its power, and it's a relatively simple programming language to learn, but it's very, very powerful. So, my goal in this video tutorial series is to try to help you guys and girls that, like me, are not programmers, right? Or you're probably just getting started, or you think this may be useful for you in your school or in your own business, or I don't know, just for hobby, for fun, or maybe because you just are curious about, well, what is programming in general in Python. So, well, if that is your case, I hope that I am able to help you to get started with Python. Again, this is Python 3. It's very important. If you have Python 2, well, these videos may not be working for you because, well, there are significant differences between Python 2 and Python 3. So just make sure you have Python 3 installed. And if you don't, well, this video is gonna teach you how to do it. So just let's get into it. Just open your favorite web browser and come to www.python. That's python.org. And well, look for the downloads section. You can just click here and get it very quickly. I'm not sure, but I think if we click here, we're gonna get the 32-bit version. Now I am working on Windows 64-bit, so that's the kind of version that I want. You can also find the Mac OS or other platforms. So I'm just gonna click here on Windows, and here you can see you have several different options. And so I usually prefer this, the executable installer. You can also do the web-based installer, but if you do this, you're gonna get a download. And well, I already downloaded mine, so here it is, Python 3.7.3. You may get a different version depending on when you are doing this. And well, if you have Google Chrome like I do, just when it finished the download, just click on the alert that you are gonna get here down on the browser, or you can just open directly the downloads folder and double click on the installer. And this is something very important that I want to show you. Um, Before you go on and install Python, make sure that you click here, so that installer is gonna add Python 3.7 to path. Now this is a Windows location. Again, I'm not very sure how this thing works, but the thing is that if you don't do this, then you may have problems running some scripts, some Python scripts later on. You can do this later, let's say manually, but it's kind of tricky. So again, if like me, you are not a uh, like a programmer guy, or you don't know very well how to go around Windows or your operating system, uh, avoid any unnecessary headaches and just click here. So the installer is gonna do it for you, and you are gonna be good to go. Now you can do a custom installation, but well, my recommendation is just click on install now and let Python do the installation for you. You're gonna get everything you need to start working on Python 3.7. Well, in my case 3.7.3. And so this is gonna take a little while, not too much, probably like 3 minutes maybe, depending on your machine, may take more or less. So I'm gonna pause the video right now, and when it finishes, I'm gonna resume the video. Okay, so everything is done. Setup was successful, so we can close this. And I'm gonna leave this here because there is something else that I want to show you. later on in the video. And well, I'm gonna just come here to the Windows logo and scroll down to the P. So here is Python 3.7, and here you can see we have the IDLE and some other options. Just click on the IDLE, and well, you should get this window. This window is known as the Python shell. And so let's just make a, let's say, a question to Python, so to speak. Let's ask him, okay, what is 3 plus 3? A very simple addition. And Python is telling us, okay, that is a 6. Now let's make our very first function. Let's do a print with the parentheses, and you can use double quotes or single quotes. Now you see the print turns purple. So Python shell is telling us that this is a reserved word for Python, and it's also telling us actually that it is a function. So here we can make our, well, typical hello world, hit enter, and well, Python shell tell us hello world. So if you got this, then congratulations, you have Python installed and up and running in your machine. And well, something else that I want to show you is to try to make things easier for you if you are gonna be learning this, is how to add Python 3.7 to the Windows Start menu and to the taskbar. So for those who don't know how to do that, just open here the Python 3.7 folder, and on the IDLE just do a right click and then choose pin to start. Now remember, you can click, hold the click and drag, and you can reposition this whenever you like. So I'm gonna put it in here. And also I recommend that you add the manuals. These are very, very useful, have very good information. When you had a chance, just open it, explore it a little bit. You're gonna find, again, very good and useful information. Now the other thing, let's again do a right click, and here on more we can do pin to taskbar. So I have it here right now, and also the manuals, pin to taskbar. And so if you are working on anything and suddenly you need to bring Python up, just come here to your taskbar and click on the Python IDLE, and again you get your Python shell very quickly. Um, well, the last thing that I wanted to show you about the installer is if you keep the installer, you can also use it to later on modify your setup. So you can modify your installation, you can repair it if for any reason you get some problems in Python. I have never seen it, but it may occur. Or you can even uninstall Python from your machine. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel. And well, so that's basically it for this video. So hopefully now you have Python up and running in your machine, and well, you are ready to go. So in the next video we're gonna talk a little bit more about Python shell, and we're gonna talk about the very first two functions. These are built-in functions. Actually, we just saw the first one, the print function, and we're also gonna talk about the type function. These are very useful. We're gonna be using them quite a lot, especially the print function. So that's what I want to start or to continue in the next video before we get more into deep. So well, that's basically it. Again, thanks all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, get a like to the video, please, and well, I hope to see you in video number 2.